What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Long overdue, but life been lifing. So today we're gonna kind of switch gears. We're not talking about trading futures or interviewing anybody. Today we're talking about crypto and airdrops. And so the one I want to talk about first was Grass.io. Grass is a layer two network that runs on Solana, and it accesses the public web to uh, gather data to train AI models. And so what they are doing now is there's an extension or a program you can download on your computer, which pretty much runs in the background off of internet that you're not using, and through using your unused internet, you gain points, which will later on be rewarded as grass tokens. And so I can show y'all a little bit about that now. So I'm on my grass, and let's look at my earnings if it want to load. So since Epoch 2 has started, I've made 2,000. Today's earnings 55. If you look back, all of these are points that I earned, just letting the get grass extension run in the background. And so it's pretty decent, man. I like it. I like it. The grass is has a lot of room to grow, and once you are, have been running the program in the background for a while, you can go to this and check your eligibility. And right now it says I'm trying from a restricted location. It's actually not available in the U.S., but a VPN works around that. So let's cut that on and claim my reward. I'm about to claim mine. So as you can see, I've connected my wallet, and I am eligible as it says. Probably gonna blur out my address so I don't get scammed. And as you can see, I claimed 19 grass tokens. And even cooler than that, you can actually stake your tokens right here on this platform, and with the 44% per APR, that's not too bad. So they currently only, the unstaking period is 7 days. So if you do decide to stake, it'll take a week for you to unstake your grass tokens, and if you wanted to transfer them, send them, or spend them. And so moving over here to my Soulflare wallet, you can see I got 19 grass from the Grass Foundation, and right now it is currently grass is up 14% today. So uh, it's pretty not bad for something that was running in the background, and I think it has a lot of potential to maybe even see switch to the daily. Yeah, it could easily shoot back above 350, or even higher. And so I'll be putting, and look at this. It's crazy. It's just skyrocketed since they started minting tokens, and giving them out to people who had participated. And so if you aren't already signed up with Grass and have that extension installed, it's not too late to get rewards. You probably won't be able to get the ones that I got, but once you download and have it running in the background, I believe they're having another airdrop at the end of the year. Hold on, let me go back and check that. You can see in stage one, I didn't even know about it. Yeah, around Epoch 3 is when I really started, you know, getting some decent points through referrals and all of that. So now that we're in stage 2, capturing the web, yeah, this epoch isn't over until December 16th. So you still have time to, join, and as long as this is running in the background, you will be gaining reward points. So you have an opportunity to make, you know, however long you can keep your device on and connected to the internet. The sky's the limit, really. I've seen some people get 1,000 grass, just from running this in their background. So you literally are losing nothing to gain whatever you want. And so I'm going to put some links in the description here. You know, Obviously I get referral points. You get points for referring people clicking on your link. So if you use my link to do that, I definitely appreciate it. And I recommend using Soulflare as the wallet to connect for this because it's just simple and easy to use. I like Solana a lot. It's pretty fast. And so, yeah, I think that's about all I got for grass. Yeah, if you have a desktop, you get double points, but I'm on my laptop, so I'm just getting the regular 1.0 multiplier. There's over 2.5 million users. It's live in 190 countries, so the sky is the limit for grass. Who knows? We could be looking at another Bitcoin because AI is the future, and this is focused on training AI. So I'm big on grass. This is just me shouting into the wind, hoping other people get free crypto, man. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna be back with more videos on a consistent basis lately. Appreciate y'all. I'm out.